Hey everyone, today we're checking out the new accessory for my Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glass, the Reikiya charging stand. This was sent to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest thoughts based on my experience. As you can see inside the box, we've got the charging stand itself, a 3.3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable, and a user manual. Pretty straightforward packaging, and everything is neatly arranged. The stand is designed specifically for Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, both Gen 1 and Gen 2, including Wayfarer, Headliner, and Skyler models. It's compact, lightweight, and has anti-slip pads on the base, so it stays stable on your desk or nightstand. Some nice touches here: a built-in LED indicator so you can check charging status at a glance, safety chip protection against overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits. It also has a nice sleek finish that matches the premium look of the glasses. Using it is simple. Just place your glasses on the dock, plug in the USB, and you're good to go. Just make sure the glasses are properly seated and the green light is blinking so you don't wake up with low battery Ray-Bans in the morning. In my experience, I like this charging routine better when I'm at home because it feels more convenient than plugging and inserting it into the case all the time. I love the LED indicator that shows me it's charging properly, and it turns into a solid green light when it's fully charged. So far, it's been charging reliably and looks great on my desk setup. I also place it in my room table before I go to bed, and there's no complicated setups needed. If you don't like placing your Ray-Ban glasses inside the case all the time, or just looking for a dedicated charging stand for your Ray-Ban Meta glass in your desk, this is definitely worth considering.